I got Dave's Hot Chicken today, and we're gonna see what is the hottest flavor I can handle. I have all the flavors here except for mild light, because we know we can handle that, and plain. Mild, medium, hot, extra hot, and Reaper. Mild, medium, hot, extra hot, and oh gosh, guys, Reaper. I'm really scared. I don't think I'm gonna make it to this one. When I ordered each individual tender, I did not expect it to come with pickles, bread, and a sauce inside. Guys, I can already smell the Reaper right now. There's no way. We're gonna have to move this one out of the way because I don't know if I can smell that right now. Okay, first we're gonna try the mild. I know you guys get mad at me for trying it with sauce, so I'll try a bite without sauce too. Okay, mild, super tolerable, super yummy. I forgot how good mild is. I usually get the medium. But yeah, spice level, I'd say for me, like a 2 out of 10. So we're starting off pretty strong. Next we have medium. I usually drench this one in sauce. I can never really tell how spicy it is, but it's low-key got some heat on it. So medium, I'd say spice level is 3 out of 10. This is the one I usually go for. I love this one. Easy peasy so far. Okay. Here's where I'm getting a little scared. We're going into hot. Mind you guys, I can't handle heat. Like, I am not good with heat. I don't know if you guys saw my Wingstop video, but I tried the atomic wing and I was dying. Okay, this is hot. We'll try one without sauce first. Y'all, I thought it wasn't bad, but no, it's getting spicy. Yeah, that after taste has a kick. We'll try some with sauce. Okay, guys, I did not think that it was spicy at all. My mouth is on fire. It's on fire. Like, actually on fire. Oh my god. I'm gonna need milk. Okay, so I say for hot, the spice level is probably a 6 for me. No, I would not get it again, because it is a little bit too spicy for me. But I could handle it. Like, I could handle it. Okay, guys, now we got extra hot. I'm bringing out the Hey Y'all cup because I don't think I'm gonna be able to, I'm not gonna be able to do this. I'm like already low-key dying. Guys, I'm actually a wimp. Like, I don't know why I thought this challenge would be fun. But we have our milk here, so hopefully this saves us. I need to take a break. Okay, next we have extra hot. This has so much coating on it. I'm not ready. Okay, I'm gonna try it with sauce first because I'm scared. Oh god. Okay, so far, really good flavor on this one. It's very salty. I like it. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for the kick to happen. Because I feel like with these, they get you like when you least expect it. Okay, we're gonna try one without sauce. I think they gave me, I think this might be hot. It says extra hot, but I feel like the other one was low-key spicier. I'd give the extra hot like an 8 out of 10. I really wouldn't get it again, but it wasn't too spicy. I sincerely apologize. That one's so much spicier. Okay, it's been like 30 seconds. All you people that eat spice out here are gonna think I'm so like crazy, but like I seriously am not good at spice. I can't even talk right now. I'm not good with spice, like, at all. My tongue is actually on fire. No, like, it hits, like, way later. Guys, I'm actually really dying. I might start crying. I've actually, like, my whole mouth is completely on fire right now. Like, it's really good at first. My lips are on fire. Oh, we have to try the Reaper. I'm gonna give myself 5 minutes, though. Also severely lactose intolerant, so pray for me, but I'm in pain. I'm just gonna get this over with. I'm gonna try this with sauce. I'm not doing it without sauce, but my mouth is already, like extremely on fire. And to prove it, make sure I'm not lying, this does say Reaper on it. Oh my god. This looks so hot. Like, oh my gosh. I have no idea what spices are in these. Okay, I'm not doing that much because I already, like, feel like shit. God, guys. I'm not okay. I'm not okay. Oh god. Guys, I might start crying. What else helps with heat? Ketchup. I'm like, don't judge me right now. Don't even judge me right now. Guys, I've been running my head under the sink for like 10 minutes, and I've never had something that spicy in my entire life. My whole face feels like it's fucking burning off. Literally, if you don't like spice, do not do this. Do not try the Reaper. Okay, this jumped up from the extra hot. I will never be eating this again. I don't wish this on anyone. It was the worst 10 minutes of my life. Probably 12 out of 10, honestly. I literally cannot breathe. There was smoke coming out of my ears, quite literally.